All right, second example here for 2-2, the leading coefficient test. And what we're saying here is that something we've kind of talked about a little bit already. If we have a negative in front of some polynomial, x to the fourth, x squared, it really doesn't matter. The negative means we're going to be opening downward. If it's even, and if it's odd, negative x to the fifth, we'll be starting on the left high and finishing low on the right. Whereas if it's a positive, even, we'll be opening up. If it's a positive odd, we'll start low and finish high on the right. And we can tell this by the leading coefficient. So even if everything else is plus from here on out, the leading coefficient's negative will determine our shape. And so we can describe what's called right and left-hand behavior of the graph of each function. What we're saying here is that this is a x cubed function, and it's a leading coefficient that's negative. So it's going to be something that does something like that. Now this 4x in the middle, what that is actually saying is that somewhere in the middle, we might do some weird things. Okay? Who knows what it does? And we really don't care for this problem because it's just talking about the very left and very right hand of this function. So at the very end, what's happening to our graph? Well, for our left hand, the very left side of it, we're increasing. We're being more positive. On our right hand, we're decreasing. We're going down right here. So we would call that negative. And so we can do that by looking at all of these. X to the fourth, a bunch of stuff going on in here. But we know that this graph, since it's even and positive, will start up, might do some weird things in here, but finish going positive also. So we have a left-hand behavior that's positive and a right-hand behavior also going up towards the positive infinity. And so our last one here, x to the fifth, we're going to start low. Who knows what goes on in the middle, but we will finish high here because it's a positive odd function. So from the negative to the positive side of things. See if you can describe it for yourself on problem 23. All right, the little twist on problem 23, see if you caught it. This is not written in the correct order. You would need to rearrange it to get this problem right. If you do that, it's an x squared, but it's negative, which means it's going to look like this. Might do some weird things in the middle, we don't know. But we know that it's going down and going down, left hand and right hand behavior.